And today, special thanks to my friends at Supcase who were nice enough to send me the Unicorn Beetle Pro case for the 2025 iPhone Pro Max 17. So, inside of this box here, we have a case, nothing else in there. And so, if I was to slide this out of the paper, we've got warranty info, the extra little installation pamphlet and all that kind of stuff, and your built-in camera control button. Now, this is the case, so it's just foam. It does have my favorite feature, the belt clip. I love belt clips. You can turn it either way, whether you want it horizontal or vertical on your belt, and just makes it nice and easy to grab your phone. And then this is the case. So peel this off. You can see, look at that beautiful matching orange color. I gotta say, personally, really like that. And if we take this case apart, there we go. Take that out, then that off. You can see this has a full screen protector built right in, completely protects your phone screen. So to put this on your Pro, just start with your 3 buttons over here, and then these will just kind of pop right over like so. I love that orange. You take the back of the phone case, same way, 3 buttons first, get this corner in, kind of get this corner in, and then you'll be able to make your way around the phone and pop in all the corners and get this rubber glove nicely fitted, and bada bing. Bam. Now your iPhone 17 Pro Max completely protected. As you can see, you've got some very thick bumpers here to protect your phone, your camera button built in, power button, got your volume rockers and your sound switch, your speakers and your USB-C port. That's for a lanyard, for a necklace, or for a bracelet. Got a little Supcase logo there, and that is the only branding besides the UB Pro back here on this beautiful orange. Love how it protects your camera grill. And my favorite feature, of course, is you can just pop out this little kickstand when you're at lunch to watch you some horizontal videos or vertical videos. And then when you're done, it just pops right back down out of your way. Absolutely amazing. Best way to protect your iPhone 17 Pro Max. Thanks again to my friends at Supcase who were nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching this unboxing. See you in the next one. Deuces.